Hi, this is Barbara Greil, one of the reference librarians at Alfred State College. You have an assignment where you have to find information out on an architect or on an architectural firm, perhaps. This short tutorial will show you how to find information on your architect or architectural firm by using the library's online catalog to locate a book or video on your architect or firm. One way to start this project is by going to our LibGuide for Architecture. That's an online guide of library resources. To get there, you can go to this URL, http://libguides.alfredstate.edu/architecture. When you get to this page, you click on the Books and Videos link, and then go to the link for the Alfred State College Library Catalog, and it'll put you into our online catalog. Another way to access our online catalog is to go to the Alfred State College webpage, which you get to by going to www.alfredstate.edu/library. Once you're at this page, just scroll down till you get to this section, Find Library Books and More, and then click on the link for At the Hinkle Library, and this will also put you into our online catalog. So let's say we want to find information on the architectural firm Arquitectonica. Make sure you spell it correctly and hit the Go button. So this brings up two items. They're both books. One of them is a whole book on the firm Arquitectonica, published fairly recently in 2004. The other book is a collection of articles on a variety of architects and architectural firms, and they're included. This might also be a good place to look for information on your firm. Don't forget to pay attention to the first 3 lines in the entry. This usually gives the author of the book or the editor. It gives the title, and it gives what we call the imprint, or the place of publication, the publisher, and the date. This information is useful when you want to create your MLA citation for the item if you use it. And then to find this item on the shelves, just look at the call number down at the bottom of the entry. Most items in the field of architecture are located in the NA section of our library. Okay, let's go back to our basic search, and this time let's look for something on a famous architect. Let's see if we could find something on Santiago Calatrava, famous Spanish architect. Notice that I put his name in last name first. Let's click Go, and 8 items came up as a result of this search. I see from the first item, the most recent one, that it's in a reference book. I can tell that because it says REF above the number, and it gives the call number. So this would be on the main floor of the library. I see that this is a book that includes information on a number of architects and firms. So that would be useful. I see also that there are a number of books by various authors about just the work of this architect. For example, here's one by Philip Jodidio. If I click on the title link, I get to the full entry. And again, the first 3 lines are important if you want to create an MLA citation for this item. And here is the call number. This book would be upstairs on the 3rd floor of the library. Okay, let's go back one more time to our basic search. Let's say you want to see if we have a book or some other specific information about a famous work of architecture. For example, Falling Water. All right, let's check this. Okay, I see that 10 items come up. These are 10 books. There might be a video. Yep, there's a VHS from 1997 on Falling Water, on this particular iconic house in Pennsylvania. And this looking for information on a particular building works only if the building is extremely well known. Usually the best bet is to look under your architect or the firm. That's about it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask one of the reference librarians at the information desk, or email us at library@alfredstate.edu. Thanks a lot.